Hello, I'm Melissa Rurik, a senior technical writer who has some expertise in Word. I'd like to share a neat trick with you today that allows you to select text in Word in a special way. Everyone knows how to select horizontal bands of text, but did you know you can select vertical columns of text even if the content is not formatted in a table? It's fairly easy after we've done a bit of setup. You might use this when you've copied text from someplace else and it's come in with numbers at the front of the text, perhaps from a table of contents. Here's a file I've created to show you what I mean. Yes, you can delete each number, but it's fussy and time-consuming. Sometimes using Control-Delete will only take one number at a time, then the period, then the next number, so many keystrokes. Or moving your cursor to the front of the text and using Control-Backspace might take out the first word on each line. Also, that's not satisfactory. The first thing I'm going to do is show all hidden characters by clicking the Pilcrow on the home ribbon. Yes, it looks crazy busy, but it's these characters that tell you what Word's tiny little brain is up to. It's so annoying when Word acts as if it's saying, I know what you want to do better than you do. After a while, you can get used to seeing these characters. Give it a try. So see how the numbers at the beginning of each line are not all the same? Some lines start with number. Some lines have number. Let's standardize that a bit to make it easier. I'm going to search and replace the space after the numbers with a tab, which will allow me to control the spacing better. Here's the Find Replace window already set up to use wildcards. I want to find any number followed by a space and change the space to a tab. Watch. Caret, lowercase t, tells Word to insert a tab character. Once I've replaced all the spaces with tabs, I can now make a tab stop that will give me a standard amount of space at the front of each row. You all know how to quickly set tabs using the ruler, don't you? You can set the ruler to display under the View menu. I simply can't work without it showing anymore. Click over here to toggle between tabs that are aligned left, center, right, or on a decimal point, plus a few more. Add a tab stop by picking the type of tab you want to set, and then click on the ruler as you saw me do before. Don't want or need the tab anymore? Just click on it and drag it off the rule. It's gone. Now here's the fun part. Position your cursor in front of the first number on the first line. Let go of the mouse button. Press and hold the Alt key. Then click again and drag down the page until you've selected, vertically, all the numbers in the tab characters. Press Delete. It's gonzo. So now you know how to select text vertically. It's a lot of steps in this case because I wanted to make the space big enough for you to see easily what I was doing, but you'll find that you can use some of those steps in other situations. They're pretty handy. And here's a challenge for you, keeners. Can you figure out how to get rid of the tab and the page number at the end of every line using the Find Replace dialog? It's slightly tricky, but I'll bet you can figure it out. Tweet me at TechWrite or email me mrurik@shaw.ca if you have any questions or comments. Thanks for watching.